Hey everyone, it's Marty from Earthship Eco Homes, and I have been doing an experiment on off-gassing of tire walls because there's a lot of interest, I guess, in this idea that there could be harmful chemicals coming from the tires in the tire wall, sneaking out through the earth render into the air and making people sick. Now, there's actually no real evidence for this, but it seems like a reasonable theory, so I wanted to find out. So how did I find out? Well, this is an air quality monitor called a UHO, UHOO, and it can detect VOCs or volatile organic compounds, which are the things that cause sick building syndrome. And they can come from furnishings, carpet, plywood is a well-known source of VOCs, unless it's an eco-ply like this one is. And VOCs also come from humans. So you can expect to have some levels of VOCs inside a building. Right, so what did I find out? Well, I'm happy to report that the VOC levels inside this Earthship Ironbank are very, very low. Yeah, it's a good result. And I would expect that in just about any kind of Earthship. But look, it did start me wondering a little bit. I wonder if that thing really can sense the kinds of VOCs that come from a tire. And so the next logical thing to do with the experiment was go get a tire. And I did that actually. And at first I didn't notice the VOC levels going up until I put it in the sun. And it's the sun that actually really exacerbates the VOC levels. Plus one other thing, the skylights. When I closed the skylights, that's when I saw the highest levels of VOCs because of course they couldn't escape. And so I guess that just highlights how important cross ventilation is in a building. And in Earthships, we've got great cross ventilation because of the earth tubes, the skylights that is always, drawing that fresh air into the building 24/7. And I think that issue with the sun being the catalyst for the off-gassing to occur, that's just a reminder of how important it is to get, a good coat of earth render onto those tires just to make sure that the sun can never, touch the tires and cause that off-gassing. So, in conclusion, I'm going to say that off-gassing in Earthship homes is not a thing. It just doesn't happen. So, if you disagree, go get yourself a UHO monitor, stick it in your Earthship or someone else's Earthship and see what you find out. Thanks.